Good morning. So today you are going to, most of you have your Think Up book at your house. You're going to take this Think Up book and you're going to do page 12 through 18. And this is a paired passage. And I know we've been working on that a lot lately, but that is a new 4th grade skill. And I want to make sure that we really have those paired passages down. So remember today when you are reading these two stories, they are both fiction stories, that you are going to read the first story, go answer those 4 questions. Read the second story, go answer those 4 questions. What I like to have children do is when I read this first story and then I notice another one, I'm going to go ahead and write the word stop. Because when I write stop, it's letting me know I need to stop and I need to go find the questions that go with that. And so the stories aren't super long, so I think you'll be okay. Let's look at these questions here. It talks about a simile. We know what those are. It has imagery. So it uses the word fable on question number 6. It says the reader can tell that the mightiest is a fable because. So a fable is a story that is it's a fiction story and it's kind of made up. It usually teaches us a lesson at the end of it. So usually in a fable, we're going to learn a lesson from those characters, like be kind to others, don't lie, whatever it might be. So just kind of keep that in mind when you're answering question number 6. And then when you do the paired passage questions, you're going to do your checks and X's. So like question number 10, what is the main message of both stories? So I would say, okay, does the first story, could this be a message for it? Check. Could this be a message for the second story? Check or X. So make sure you're doing that strategy as you're working through these. When you're done working it out on paper, you will submit your answers on a Google form so that I can grade it for you.